Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make biscuits or scone. Let's go ahead and look at the ingredients. The ingredients are very simple, which only require two ingredients, that is self-rising flour and heavy whipping cream. That's all we need for this recipe. So let's go ahead and get the cooking started. Before I start making the biscuit, I will preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. This recipe is called for 2 cups of self-rising flour. Use a knife or something to level up the flour. 1 cup, 2 cups of self-rising flour here. The self-rising flour already has baking powder and salt in there. That's why it helps with the rising step. And this is the heavy whipping cream. I will use 1 cup first. In any case, if you don't have self-rising flour, you can combine 1 cup flour or then add about 1.5 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt and then mix all together. Then you will have the self-rising flour. Slowly add the heavy whipping cream in there and mix the flour together. And look like the flour still dry, so I will add about 1/2 cup of whipping cream. The reason we're using heavy whipping cream is because this contains more fat than the regular milk. It will give the scone or the biscuit more flaky and soft. If you want to make it like sweet, you can add about a tablespoon or so of sugar in there, but I will just use the basic one, so I'm not using any sugar today. Just use the self-rising flour and the heavy whipping cream for this recipe. The consistency is perfect. Sprinkle some flour on my counter. And then put the dough on the counter surface. I will use my hand to gently knead the dough. Don't overwork it or the dough will become hard and the biscuit will not soft or flaky. I will form the dough into about 1 inch thickness. If you want the dough or the biscuit to be thicker, you can certainly form the dough into thicker size, but I'm fine with 1 inch thickness. So just to make it more fun, I will use the heart shape, the flower, the star. And if you don't have this kind of shape, you can just use a regular shape like the circle one. And you can, or if you don't have any of this cutting shape, you can use a cup or a bottle or something like to make a circle, like cut it. So when you cut it, I just want to don't twist it. Just cut it straight and then take it out. Take it out like so. This step is very important. It will help with your biscuit to get like really flaky, just like so. And then in this baking pie pan, I coated with some coconut oil in there because the bottom has a lot of powder, so it won't stick to the bottom. My daughter gonna help me to shape the heart shape. Okay, and then you just take it out. This recipe is really great for a kid to help you out. Just see, it's beautiful. Okay, see, it's easy. Right, my oven is ready to bake. Okay, so now I'm gonna reform this flour. Okay, put it over here. Okay, now you push it like that. Okay. Okay, now you take it out. Okay, now you push it out. Yeah, you got heart-shaped biscuit. In case you don't have cutting shape, you can just make it like a circle, like a ball, like that. It's okay too. And I'll make one without cutting shape. Gonna make star. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so push it out. Good job. You got star shape. For this recipe, 2 cups of self-rising flour and 1.5 cup heavy whipping cream. I made about 16 biscuits. I want to use a little bit whipping cream to tap on the top of the biscuit to make it golden brown on the top of the biscuit. I'll bake this in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius for about 13 to 15 minutes depending on your oven temperature. The biscuit is rising in the oven. Look at how beautiful that it is, so flaky. About 14 minutes has passed and the one on the baking tray with a parchment paper is golden brown. It's ready, but the other one on the baking pie pan is not, so I will let it continue bake for another 2 or 3 minutes, then I will take it out. 17 minutes has passed, so the rest is done and it looks gorgeous. Looks perfect. 2 ingredient biscuit or scone. Wow, it looks so delicious, so flaky and fluffy, soft, moist. This is how I eat my scone. Look at how flaky it is. After you take out from the oven, you can brush the top of the biscuit with butter so that it will make it even more softer. Wow. The inside is really soft and fluffy, outside a little bit crispy, and it looks so good. So I will put some scrambled cheese egg on it and some bacon, or if you have sausage or sausage patty, you can certainly do that. And that is your breakfast biscuit. Wow, look at how beautiful that is. A heart-shaped biscuit with bacon and cheese egg. Sound divine. Alright everybody, welcome back. So now it's time to eat our biscuits. This biscuit is really great for breakfast, for brunch. This is how I eat it, like with bacon and scrambled egg. Let's take a bite to see how it tastes like. Tastes really good, actually. Delicious. This is my hot tea. Cut it in half and then spread like soft butter in there, or spread some jam or jelly in there. That's good as well. Or some honey, anything your preference, okay? And you can eat with just anything. And with these two ingredients, simple and delicious scone or biscuit, I hope you give it a try, and I'm sure you will love it. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate all your love and support. Until next time, I will see you all in next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.